Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the structure so visuals support the message. First, identify 3-5 core messages to guide every slide. This prevents clutter. Once done, build a master slide that sets fonts, color palette, and logo placement so changes propagate automatically. Make sure to set page size to 16:9 and import brand assets at high resolution. That saves time and keeps alignment consistent. These steps get you past early friction and start the deck with intentional design. Now you translate structure into readable slides by enforcing hierarchy. Use one clear headline and no more than 3 to 5 supporting bullets so viewers scan quickly. Once in place, use size, weight, and contrast to guide the eye. Larger and bolder equals priority. Make sure to limit accents. Choose one emphasis color and a cohesive type pair to avoid visual noise. Also use consistent spacing and alignments across elements, so the audience perceives professionalism without extra explanation. Finish by polishing content and verifying delivery. You should walk through slides allowed to check pacing, trim excess text, and standardize transitions so nothing distracts. Once complete, export both PDF and PPTX with embedded fonts and compressed images to preserve quality. Test the file on your target display, projector, or phone, and prepare one backup slide with key facts. If visuals shift, replace problematic fonts or resave images at 72/150 dpi. That usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.